How long does it take to withdraw from Binance? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how long does it take to withdraw from Binance. So whenever you are depositing funds and that you wish to withdraw from Binance to any sort of bank account or any other wallet address, then you have to go ahead and log in into your account. According to the information provided by the Binance itself, it typically takes 10 to 30 minutes for a Bitcoin withdrawal to be confirmed on Binance after the transaction is made. However, it can also take up to 1 hour in some cases. Sometimes your transaction might have an issue. If you are unable to receive it after 1 hour or maybe 24 hours, then you have to contact the customer support team and state about the issue. They will be able to provide you with the solution. Once the transaction is confirmed, it will be credited to your destination wallet address. So that's how long it takes to withdraw from Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.